NEET results controversy continues to explode. Bihar's Economic Offences Unit has made a big revelation. It appears to be a shocking one, to say the least. Here's what it found out. NEET candidates in Bihar appear to have paid over 30 lakh rupees to get the leaked question papers. Remember, while the government says there has been no evidence to say that there has been a paper leak in this matter, but as the NEET controversy continues to rage, there are confessions coming in to the Bihar Economic Offences Unit, which is the EOU, indicating that there have definitely been lapses in the conduct of the medical entrance examination this year. In some of these statements, suspects have said that candidates paid about exorbitant prices, 30 lakh rupees, in exchange for one leaked paper. Remember, many of these students were going to go on to become India's doctors, possibly to serve across the world. On Saturday, the agency issued notice to 9 candidates asking them to arrive to their Patna office with evidence and questioning their association with the Solver gang. This is across different parts of the state. We'll try and get more details on that. Aditya Vaibhav is joining me on the phone line. Aditya, good morning. As you join me live right now, just tell us, because this is shocking. This is contrary to a lot of claims that had come that leaked to nahi hai papers, even if there have been some exam result issues. What is Bihar administration or the Bihar Economic Offences Wing picking up? Go ahead.
Well, exactly, Pooja. As far as Bihar and the investigation being pursued in Bihar, in continuation with the alleged leak, question paper leak, is concerned, of course, there are startling revelations made by the agency investigating the entire matter. We must inform you that it all started with a normal arrest of like 4 people on the exam date, just the day before the exam date, after which the entire thing started unfolding. And notable is the fact that by now as many as 13 people have been arrested for their suspected involvement in the alleged question paper. Notable is the fact that the agency pursuing the entire case, investigating the entire case, Economic Offences Unit, wrote to the NTA demanding the exact details of some of the candidates whose admit cards were found within the safe house and the car that was seized from the possession of the suspects. But also they also demanded reference question papers so that they can match the samples of unburnt question papers that was actually seized by them during the raids on the safe houses in Patna. So there is still the controversy is on, and notices are sent to the candidates whose details were shared by the NTA with the EOU after they requested for it. But then the actual, you can say, clinching evidence lies in the fact that the unburnt question papers, if at all they match with the samples given by the NTA, this will be something as the clinching evidence. But as far as the, you can say, interrogation and the confessions made by the suspects is concerned, of course, they have confirmed that 30 lakh was the landing price for the this gang, and that they charged somewhere close to 40 lakhs per candidate. So this is something, even a higher rate for the entire thing. But then you can easily understand that there are clear claims that the question papers were exactly the same.
That's right. So you're right to point it out there. Investigation is on presently. They'll try to corroborate further and try to understand if this is actually a leaked paper, if there had been similar questions that were in the real paper as well. But if the Economic Offences Unit of Bihar has managed to make a big breakthrough in this, remember, this could actually explode, and it's absolutely significant. Hats off, in fact, to the officers if what the investigation leads to will be to further expose if there have been malpractices. We are talking about future medical students, future medical professionals of the country. Absolutely, there cannot be any sort of lethargy over this. But there seems to be also no end to the protests on the ground. The protests broke out in different parts of India, from Delhi to Kerala to Tripura. Students' wing of the Congress, NSUI, held a mega mashal march in Delhi. Heavy police presence and barricading was seen. NSUI is the Congress Party's student wing. They are demanding the retest and a CBI investigation into this alleged misconduct. But also a delegation of the ABVP, which is, so to say, a BJP student wing, also submitted a memorandum to Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, demanding, again, investigation into the irregularities in exam results of the NEET UG. Meanwhile, Union Education Minister Pradhan has said the government of the centre has always stood with students and they need to march ahead without any confusion. but also whether it's the Congress or the BJP student wing or the left parties. All India Democratic Students Organisation, AISA, also protested in Tripura. Kerala Students' Union held a protest in Thiruvananthapuram. Left students have in fact called a nationwide strike for 2 days.
They should have just gone to a thorough inquiry. Arrest should have been made. This is a very serious crime, and it is the future of lakhs of students. And it is better, I appeal to the government of India, allow our states to conduct the exams ourselves. Let all over the students also participate. We'll also give reservation to them, all India level.
हमारे मनीषियों ने कल्पना करी कि भारत विज्ञान और विज्ञान का ऐसा केंद्र होगा जहां दुनिया से लोग चल के आएंगे और अपनी संस्कृतियों के बारे में भी आके भारत में शिक्षा ग्रहण करेंगे। तो कोई इससे असहमति हो ही नहीं सकती। और अगर कोई गलत हुआ है कुछ, तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो जिम्मेदार लोग हैं वो उसको न सिर्फ उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे बल्कि उसको सुधारने का काम करेंगे ताकि भविष्य में ऐसा कुछ भी न हो सके।
What are your main demands here?
My main demand is immediately release the date of re-NEET exam. I want a NEET exam should be again to be happen, and immediately arrest of NTA senior officers also. Those are involved in this scam. And this scam is bigger than Vyapam scam, I'm telling you. Again and again. And yesterday, though that happened in Gujarat, you see what happened in Godhra. In Godhra, you see Deputy Superintendent of NTA is arrested by police, Gujarat police. That's clearly shown that this is completely a scam. You see a lot of things. The exam result also come out before 10 days. Why the result is on 4th of June? And lot of students are with us. They also want now that this exam should be conducted again.